The requirement for qualified technical cleaners in Australia is growing just as fast as the number of data centres. Therefore, you need a partner who can help you achieve internationally recognised cleanliness standards and verify that the environment which houses your critical computer equipment is clean enough not to pose any operational risk. At BACS Contamination Control, our mission statement is done right, on time, every time. So how do we achieve this? BACS provides technical cleaning services to two major industries, the IT industry and the cleanroom industry. We also have an online store that sells products used by both. The IT industry includes large standalone data centres, smaller comms and server rooms, and areas such as switch rooms and plant rooms, which support computer equipment. 35 years of technical cleaning expertise means BACS can select the right people and train them to work safely and effectively in your critical environment. To provide our field staff with hands-on experience in a risk-free environment, BACS has built Australia's first and only live data centre training facility at our Chatswood headquarters. Trainees can see many features found in real data centres. They are shown how to work safely in this environment, whether lifting floor tiles, climbing ladders, plugging in electrical equipment, or avoiding activities which threaten operational reliability. The training facility forms the centrepiece of our in-house data centre training program, which includes a combination of assessed theoretical and practical instructions that every BACS cleaner must complete prior to entering a data centre. The BACS Data Centre Training Program is part of how BACS can recruit, induct, train and audit staff to meet your needs for highly skilled data centre cleaners across Australia now and in the future. BACS is the only technical cleaning company covering the entire country with a network of employees, long-term qualified contractors, permanent cleaners and casual staff. Nationally, all BACS cleaners are taught the same procedures and use the same equipment and chemicals to ensure consistency from location to location. At BACS, we are the specialist in contamination control and are setting the industry standards in data centre cleaning. Contact us to have an obligation-free site cleanliness assessment